Hi guys, in today's tutorial we have a challenge of forms. We have these 5 input fields, and whenever I type on these 5 input fields, the data should make here alert, and all the data should be shown here as well. So let me first refresh it. I'm just typing here the data, engineer, Samuel, and here I am just taking the ID as 123, password any random value. I'm just taking it, and mail, at the rate. So whenever I save it, you can see that all the data is showing here. So this is the challenge for today. So just pause the video and try to do it by yourself. So here I am just going to copy that code, Control C, and I am going to paste it twice, and I have to change the names as well. I'm just typing here, enter your email, and I am just writing here email, name is as email, and here I am just writing mail, and here I have to write, let me see what fields I have till now. Control S, enter your first name. I'm just going to write here, enter your last name. Control X, and pasting it here. Control V, enter your last name, and here I am just writing L name, and L name as well. I am writing it as capital N, so that you may not confuse with that name and that value's name. So here I have to write now in useState, I have to pass L name as well. L name, and we have 4, and we have to give here mail. Now we have total 5 elements: name, L name, ID, password, and mail. And here I am going to compare. I am also going to copy that code. Control C, and going to paste it. Control V, and once again here I have to compare with sorry, I am just going to crop it from here and making it in a sequence so that you may come to know everything clearly. We can write code anywhere, but we should have to make a sensible code. Control V, and here I am just going to compare with L name and ID, password, and here email. Let me check are the spellings correct or not. Email, PSW, ID, L name, L capital. Email, PSW, ID, L name, L capital as well. So name, here what we have to do basically, the three if else conditions are remaining same, but there would be only changes with the two if else conditions that we have newly added, but the remaining would have some appending of code as well. PSW, these are just matching with our these values. So I'm just writing here L name and val dot L name. Here I'm matching with first variable, which is name. So what is remaining? The remaining is male, val dot male. Here I have to make changes with L name, and the remaining code will be same. L name is equal to value, and here PSW is equal to val dot PSW. The remaining one is male. I'm just copying that code. Control C and paste it here. Control V. And here I am also going to copy and paste it. Control V. And the one is F name. So where is L name basically? I'm just going to copy L name from here. Control C and going to paste it here. Control V. And here as well. Control V. And one is remaining, which is male. Control C, and here I am going to paste it. And here we have basically val dot PSW, and here I have to write mail. Let me make it at the bottom so that the code might be in a sequence and you may come to know everything clearly. At the top I am just going to write name, not name, but L name. L name val dot L name. Let me save it. Press Ctrl S and let me minimize it at once. We have here a useState, and here we have a function, and let me also make it changes. I'm just making it as comment, and I'm also trying to abbreviate that code. Const, here I have to give curly braces, name and value is equal to e dot target. Let me make here name. Control D. Press Ctrl S, and now I have made everywhere name, and this one is the code of ES6 basically, which is a JavaScript code. So what is basically happening, we have here a name and value, and we have got these name and value variables from e.target. So this is the code. Now if we want to write name, then it will automatically get e.target.name, and if we want to get value, it would automatically write here e.target.value as well. Just press Ctrl S and move to our output. I'm just going to write here data. This is any dummy data, and you can see that everything is showing here as well. Here I am unable to write anything. What is the reason? Let me check it. In my last field, I have to compare with male, that I have not written here value. Press Ctrl S and move back. ABC, I'm just writing here random D, E, F. It is also not showing here. So what is the reason? There is no reason. We have basically not here mentioned that it should also have display value here with hello. Here I have to mention it as well. So right now basically I don't gonna do all that code here. I gonna make some changes. I'm just going to show everything at alert, and inside alert I have to write backspaces, and here I have to write my first name, dollar, data dot name, and here I have to write my last name, data dot lname. Here again give comma and write here, I think my third one is ID. My ID is data dot ID, and here my password is dollar, and here I'm just writing data dot psw. My mail is data dot mail. My email is. So this one is complete now. So let me also make here change so that my official email should not be shown here. Autocomplete off. Just press Ctrl S and move to our output. Engineer Samuel and ID 123, and here password is Samuel 567. I'm just writing random @gmail.com. So let me save it, and now you can see that everything that I have typed here is showing at the top alert.